Hello boys and girls, today we're going to make a project inspired by Salvador Dalí, especially his artwork with the elephants with long legs. For this project we will need a paper, we will need a eraser and pencil, crayons, we will need a cup to make circles. We're going to use the bottom part. We will need watercolors with a brush, paintbrush. We will need water and a sponge or a paper towel. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to trace this bottom cup and make our 3 birds. And make sure that your paper is faced the tall way. I call this the portrait way. So I'm going to first put it here with enough space from the edges. You have to do it away from the edges. And it's almost like if you're drawing on that bottom of the cup. See, I did it away from the edge so we can have space to draw some feathers. And the other one a little bit shorter because we're going to make a family of birds. And then I'm going to be drawing the beak. It's like a triangle. This one has 2 triangles because this one is talking. The baby one is looking forward. So the beak is like an upside down triangle. Eyes. These guys are looking sideways, so you can only see one eye. And then I'm going to make the tail. The baby does not have a tail because it's behind him. We can't see it. I'm going to make little feathers sticking out. Wings. This is a different one. And now the fun part is to make the legs. We can use different lines, lines is one of the elements of art. So I'm going to first make little baby birds here. Making little knobs like the elephants. The mommy bird will have curvy legs. And let's make zigzag for the dad. This one goes behind the wing. There. I am done with the drawing. After the drawing, I pick a crayon, a dark colored crayon. It can be black, but it can be dark blue. It can be like a purple. I'm doing black. I'm going to make them with black. So you go over every single line that you want to keep. So this is done, and now, oh, I forgot the horizon line. I'm going to make a horizon line, and this is where we're going to paint it green. So we're going to now color, since I want to do a sunset, and sunsets are warm colors, so I have to color the birds with a cool color, with cool colors. So I'm not going to color the wings. I want that to be a different color. I am going to color the baby's wing. wings blue. I'm going to color the baby purple. Blue. Green. Okay, so now we're ready for our watercolors. So the first thing I'm going to do, the sunset goes from red to orange to yellow. Start with red. So with red, when the background, I'm going to be painting mostly up and down. I just had to do this line so I can cover the very edge very well. Now I'm going to be applying my paint up and down so it'll be nice and neat instead of going all different directions. Try not to paint the birds because the birds will have cool colors. Oops, I forgot. Look, I forgot to do the beaks yellow. Let me do that. There. So I'm done with the red part. And now for the orange part, I'm going to clean my brush really well. Swipe. I'm going to clean it with my sponge. And now I'm going to put some orange. I'm going to put the orange right next to it. Need some more water. Right next to it. I'm going to try not to touch the red much because I don't want the red paint to get into my orange paint. See how my paints stay really nice and clean? I have to leave some space for yellow. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not touching it, but what I'm going to do, I'm not going to clean my brush. I'm going to grab some more water and I am going to push up my orange so the orange can get mixed up with the red. See how it's all mixed up? I love it. I'm done. I only used water for that part. I did not put my brush with orange into my, with red into my orange. So now I'm going to clean my brush because now we're going to use the yellow. Swipe. Clean. Now you get wet again because we need yellow. And I'm first going to start with a line like this. I'm going to grab more water. And I'm going to try not to touch the orange because I'm going to put my brush back in the yellow. And I don't want yellow to have orange in it. Okay, now I have enough yellow. You see there's still white spaces because I did not, see here? I did not want the yellow to touch my orange. But because these are watercolors, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to clean my brush. I'm just going to grab some more water and kind of mix these two together. I'm trying to leave the very edge with yellow only, but I might get some orange in there, just a little bit. There. And now I'm going to clean my brush. Swipe. clean. Now I have to color the birds with, just to make the colors brighter. Right now you see a lot of white in between the crayons, so I'm going to put some watercolor. So this is blue. I'm going to go to the blue. This one's also a blue-green, so I'm going to put some blue here too. It comes out different because the crayon is a different color. It's a blue-green, like a teal. I'm going to grab some blue for the wings also. I'm going to clean my brush. And now I'm going to take purple. Make sure it's purple. The purple is pretty dark. Go like this. See, it's purple. This is for the little chick, little baby bird. See, I try not to color the eyeball because eyeballs are white. Oh, I have some purple right here. I have to get some paper towel to clean up this puddle right here. I have some puddle going on over here. Just pat. Okay, we're fine. I'm going to get some yellow for the beaks. This makes it nice and bright. Clean, and now for the grass. I'm going to make the grass all this way, sideways. The whole thing sideways. Now I'll have to clean my brush. Swipe. Clean. My brush is clean. I'm putting it away. And this is done. Ta-da! I hope you like it. Bye.